Welcome to Fiona's Food for Life YouTube channel, Cook, Eat, Nourish. Today, in today's video, I'm going to give you a little tour around the YouTube channel and we're going to look at recipes. There's 35 different recipes on my YouTube channel. So hope you enjoy it, and if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Today we are going to have a look at the different recipes that I have. So all of these video recipes that I have. So if you're on the home page of my YouTube channel, you can subscribe over here if you haven't. You can click on this search button here, and you can type in recipes, or you could type in any particular one that you're looking at, and it will show you all of the different recipes that I have here. If you go to the playlist section, you will find the recipes playlist, which I have here. 35 different recipes in my recipe playlist. So I have, working from basic number 1, we've got omelette, 3 different ways, great for breakfast. Sushi, the kids love making sushi, it's great in a lunchbox and another great way to get our fish into our diet. Dal, an extremely popular recipe that I have. I would use this, I would make it up at the weekend and use it for lunches throughout the week. Really, really good. Then you have the turkey burgers and the fish chowder, the tomato-based fish chowder. Both of those I made live on Ireland AM. Then you've how to make sourdough bread. If you know me, you know I do fermentation, and sourdough bread is the only bread that we would have in the house, and that's an easy way to make it and to freeze it. And I have sauerkraut, another of my fermentation dishes. Then shortbread biscuits, a great simple biscuit, ideal to make with kids. You can cut it into whatever different shape you want, and it only has 3 ingredients: flour, sugar and butter. Vegan bolognese, a really tasty vegan dish that looks very similar to a regular bolognese. So scrolling down the page here, the next one we have is lamb tagine, a lovely winter's dish. You can make this in the slow cooker, in your pressure cooker, on the hob or in the oven, and it freezes really well. With that, I would always suggest you double up on the amount that you make and then freeze the other batch so that you have it for another day when you don't quite have enough time. Labneh cheesecake, another fermented dish. It's made from labneh, which is a strained yogurt or yogurt cheese. Really, really tasty. Baked falafel, really nice. The kids love falafel, but I hate the deep fried version that you will get in the markets. So this is a really healthy version, really tasty. Turkey and courgette burgers, very popular, 20-minute meal, really, really tasty. Prawn and aubergine curry is another very popular 20-minute meal that I make. Really tasty. If you have the prawns in the freezer, you grate in the aubergine and it all kind of melts into it. You wouldn't even realize it's there. It's a really nice, and I just serve it in a bowl like that, complete meal. Irish brown bread scones. So these are a variation between Irish brown bread and scones. We use melted butter rather than rubbing the butter in, but it's a really nice bread to have perhaps with soup or even with jam for morning tea. Delicious beetroot hummus. So you need to roast raw beetroot in their skin to get a really nice earthy flavour and deep red colour here, and they go lovely with the turkey burgers. Overnight oats is a very simple recipe. I have 3 different variations that you can make there. Quick and easy stuffed avocados is number 18. So I would do this as a quick lunch or a quick meal so often. It's a whole avocado, you take it out of the shell, and then I put a filling inside it. It might be something as simple as tuna with a bit of mayonnaise and capers and black peppers. So many different variety, but a really quick and easy meal to have. Healthy granola bars. These are no-bake granola bars made with oats and nuts. Simple poke bowl. Often when I'm cooking sushi rice, I will cook extra, and the next day I will make up a really nice poke bowl, and I will put lots of different things in, like vegetables, put a bit of fish in. I'll usually put a bit of sauerkraut in, or a bit of kimchi. I'll put chopped nuts on top, loads of different things. That's a quick and easy meal to pull together. 21, basic energy bowls. These are really handy because they will give you that little sugar hit that you might be looking for in the middle of the afternoon. They don't contain any nuts, so they're great for children in primary school in the lunch boxes. And they're just made of oats with orange juice and dates and cocoa butter. Really, really tasty. Simple guacamole to make with your avocado to go with fajitas or any Mexican dish, or on the side of eggs. Fermented water kefir. I would have this every morning. Really, really nice, natural, sparkling fermented drink with probiotics. A simple salsa. How to make that if you've got too many tomatoes. Make up a nice salsa and keep an extra bit for breakfast the next day. Chocolate biscuit cake. Oh, this one, number 25, wouldn't be my normal recipe on my website, but if you have a celebration, this is a really, really good tasting chocolate biscuit cake. Warning, small portions. But it's great if you've got a special event and you can actually also make it a week or even 2 in advance. Tomato-based seafood chowder. This is a dish that I will make once a week, usually in our house. It's a great way of making sure that we get fish into our diet. Amazing power bars. If you've ever been to one of my live cookery demos, these are always in my goodie bags. I always have them in the fridge. We'll take them in a gym bag, or if we're going away traveling, we'll take it in our bag. Really, really dense nutrition of nuts and seeds, and they taste amazing. Gut-friendly sauerkraut. So this is a variation on sauerkraut. I use kale and cabbage and pineapple and mint. Really, really nice. Chicken with mushroom and mustard. This is one of my quick meals. Really, really tasty. Down to number 30, which is the elderflower cordial. So in May, when the elderflowers are growing, this is how you can make the elderflower cordial to have throughout the year. Then these ones are slightly different. These are my older video versions. So I have crispy seed crackers. These are fantastic. This is the Dominique Kemp recipe, the best seed crackers I've ever made. They are really, really nice. A simple bolognese sauce. Anyone moving out on cooking for themselves, this is a must. A simple bolognese sauce that can then be used for spaghetti bolognese, for lasagna, for chili, so many different things. How to make hummus in 3 minutes. So many of the hummus you buy in the supermarket can have up to 40% oil added to them to preserve it and also for consistency, but I believe you don't need the oil in it. So my hummus is made with chickpeas, tahini, which is sesame seed paste, garlic, lemon juice. So try that out. Really, really quick and easy to make. Toasted seeds. Another snack that is often in my goodie bags. I will usually carry a jar at home if I want a quick snack, say before a meal, or in the car if I'm delayed. I can have a really nice, healthy, tasty, nutritious snack. They're a winner. And the last one I have is shortbread hearts. So wholemeal shortbread hearts. With the shortbread, you can cut it any different shape that you like. These ones I did for Valentine's Day. So please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe over here. Please check out the videos, share them with anyone you think might be interested, and like and comment. So thanks a million. They're all my recipes on YouTube, and we'll see you soon.